Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now the first thing that you want to do here is you just want to basically just restart your Monopoly Go application. So sometimes a good restart of the application itself could actually solve your issue. So make sure that you close Monopoly Go by clicking on your app manager at the bottom left and make sure that you totally close Monopoly Go. Now from here, just open up Monopoly Go and check if that actually solves your issue. But if that doesn't solve your issue, then we'll have to clear our cache for Monopoly Go. So to do that, you just need to exit from Monopoly Go, or basically just close Monopoly Go here, and you want to press and hold into Monopoly Go. Now here it's going to pop up app info, share and uninstall. So we want to go to app info. So by the way, you could also access this UI here via settings. You just need to look for apps. Now from here, what you need to do is you want to click on the clear data at the bottom center of your screen. And from here, just click on clear cache and just click on OK. And that will actually clear your cache for Monopoly Go. Now from here, you just need to open up Monopoly Go again and see if that actually solves your issue. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.